Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be making some trees out of clay. So if you want to see how they turned out, then I hope you keep watching. The first thing I did is draw out these trees on white paper, and then I cut them out and then taped them to this cardstock. And now I'm cutting that out, and this is going to be the template that I'm going to use to create the trees. Here we have the clay all dry, and now I'm just going to glue the pieces together using this. Some of them cracked while drying, so these two have to get glued. This has to get glued. But aside from that, I'm just going to glue the half pieces like this on both sides, and then cover it with some of this lightweight spackling. This came from Dollar Tree. Hopefully this is enough to cover both trees, and hopefully it works good too. So I'm gonna go in with the Loctite glue and just glue the pieces together. Alright, I'm gonna sand down the bottoms of the trees. This had a chance to dry a little bit, but they're not standing completely straight. This one kind of tips back and forth. So I'm just going to do lightly sand it just so that they stand up a little straighter. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with that. So now I'm going to take this lightweight spackling and I'll use the brush and try to smooth this across both of the trees to cover all the clay so that it's covered in white and it's smoothed out. Alright, now that this is dried, I'm just going to use this nail file. I have the softer side. I'm just going to use that to slightly smooth out some of the spackle. And then I'll also use this Cricut tool here to just scrape and make sure these sharp edges are nice and smooth. And then once that's all done, I'm not going to go overboard with it. Just, I want it to kind of look, you know, kind of artsy and not perfect. And so once that's all done, I'll just go out and spray paint these. And I'm just going to spray paint them white. Oh, the only other thing I might do is add a little bit more spackle to the top of each of these. I want them to come to a little point at the top. And then that's about it. I'm going to do one layer of this flat white paint, and then I'm going to do the second coat with this semi-gloss paint.